Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through on how to send calendar invite on Gmail. This can be achieved in two ways. At the top right of the screen, you can access your Google Calendar here and you set up the mail, the invite. Or at the top left of the screen, you click on the compose button. Then you add the recipients you want to send the invite to and the subject of the invite. Now, in the message area, you click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Then, you move your cursor to set up a time to meet and you click on create an event. Here, you can add a title to your events. If you're not okay with this, you can add your title. You can add the day of the event, the time frame of the event. You can also add guests, locations, event color, your schedule, and notifications on or before the event. Once you're done with the settings, you click save. Now it is being saved here. So you click the send button to send an invitation email to the guests. This is the send button. You click on it and Google or Gmail will send a notification email to the guest. So guys, this is how you can send calendar invites on Gmail. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.